Hello, my name's Kelly, and in this video we're going to be learning Forget About Dre by Eminem and Dr Dre. Now, this is a really fun one to apply to guitar, and there's not that many parts to learn, so it means we can get through it quickly and get on to playing along to the backing track and enjoying it a lot quicker. Let's get started by having a look at the intro section. Now, when you listen to the original record of this, there's no guitar part in the intro section, but it's quite nice to add in some chords there just to keep it interesting for us as guitar players. So this is what we're going to play. Okay, so let's have a look at what's going on here. Now, we're starting on a G5 chord. So you've got a 4 count on that G5 chord, and then we're going to move up to B flat, a B flat 5 chord. And this time we're just going to hold it for 2 beats. And then we go down to an A for 2 beats. Now you might notice with my right hand, before I finish the beat, I end up dampening the strings with my right hand by just resting them on the strings, just to create a bit of extra control over those open strings as I'm changing chords. So you don't really want any open strings ringing out accidentally, and that just ensures that you've got those strings muted, right? So you don't have to do it, but give it a go, and if it helps you mute the strings, then that's great. Okay, so after that A chord, that A5 chord, we're going to go to an E flat 5 chord. And this is held for a bar, okay? And then after that, we're going to a D chord, and this is just for 2 beats. And then for the rest of the bar, for the next 2 beats, we're going to go to an A flat 5 chord.